Making your own tortillas at home is a lot easier than you think. It's one of them things where you always buy it from the shop, but really it only takes a couple of minutes to have your own fresh, way better texture than what you get in the shop, and it's super simple. So I have my plain flour in the bowl ready to go, and I've got some warm water. I'm gonna mix into that a teaspoon of salt. So you need some salt just for the flavor of the tortillas. I mix it into the warm water now just to make sure that it all dissolves and it'll be more even throughout the dough. You could just mix this into the flour as well, but I've heard that this way is better and it seems to work, so I'm not gonna question it too much. First step, pour your oil into your flour, mix it till it forms a shaggy dough. Oil into the flour. Once that mix is all come together, add in the majority of your water, not all of it, just in case it's a bit too wet. Mix it together until a dough forms. The thing with doughs, so many little factors can affect it. Like sometimes the humidity in the air, the type of flour you've got, the batch of flour. There's so many different little things that can affect it. And I'm glad I didn't add it all in, because I think this dough is quite wet. So now it's just come together, flour the work surface and start a bit of kneading. You only need to knead for 2 or 3 minutes, just to work that all in. You want the dough to be smooth. I know you can just buy tortilla dough from the shop. If you're like me, cooking is fun. I always enjoy doing it wherever I can. Just relax. I normally have a little playlist on. My technique for kneading, I basically use my palm, at the bottom of my palm, and I'll push in, then you roll back, push in, roll back. You can just use one hand, work in the double hand if you want. So if I'm kneading this way, I'm basically crisscrossing. So you knead, again, same part of your hand, you're going across each time. Pretty satisfying, I can't lie. At this point, it's pretty much ready to go. So I'll rest this for between 15 minutes to 2 hours, depending on when you want to use it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna add a little extra. So for me, this is what cooking is about. I've made this recipe before, it's good, I like it. I've got some other ingredients I want to try out. So I've got some jalapeno flakes, and I think it would work well in this. I've never tried it out, so will it work? I don't know, but I think it will. And for me, it's all just about experimenting, seeing what happens. Let's try it. I'm gonna start to just fold inwards. So that's my regular and my jalapeno dough. I'm gonna cover that and leave it to rest for 15 minutes to 2 hours.